Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, in your opinion, I want you to look at this gown that Etinosa wears for our birthday photo shoot and tell me, what do you think about it? Do you think it's a trendy style, or is a choice, or the style is okay? What do you think? Drop it in the comment section.
My birthday was a blast. No, scratch that. It was magical. All thanks to my management, James Omokwe, and the prestigious Lagos Continental Hotel. I was honored to meet the duty manager, Mr. Ogbede, who introduced me to Mr. Richard Mutanda, the marketing executive, and he took me on an extensive tour of the hotel.
This is fifth floor. This is where we have all our recreation.
Did you know that there was a whole recreational floor in Lagos Continental? Well, welcome to the 5th floor. I met the gym instructor at the gym. After the insightful tour, we went down to the lobby to a cabo restaurant, and guys, I got the biggest, most amazing surprise ever.
Hi, Etinosa. Nice to meet you. Happy birthday, darling. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, look how beautiful and smart the staff of Lagos Continental look. Guess what? They are as hospitable and as professional as they look. And as you can hear, they have a very lovely voice.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday
Okay. Time to eat and enjoy myself. Let's meet at the end of this video where I tell you one big secret about this hotel and, of course, about my birthday.
Landlady, yo, sharp lady. Mama, you know go check the beans with the fire. Landlady, yo, sharp lady. Mama, you know go check the beans with the fire. Landlady, yo, get that own balada. Enjoyment, yo, now your own wahala. Oh my guy, now you wait the shot. She don't know everything where it don't be happen. Not many things we should know. If you touch her, tell you will know. Your secret, everybody can know. Let me live for what you know.
On my 22nd birthday. Now that I just became 32. As I turned 32, I'm so blessed to have you guys all by my side. Thank you so much for the cake. Thank you to my boss for honoring our invitation.
At 32, you have accomplished a lot. You have shut down cities.
Who is recording?
At 32, I just want to tell you that you're an amazing person, you're an amazing friend.
Thank you.
First of all, the age in our life.
I'm just 32.
We will never be 32. We'll be 32 back. Okay, happy birthday, Etinosa. I always say Etinosa is one of the most, I always say it, I say it to her front, say it back, one of the most hardworking actors I know. She's very, very hardworking, and because of this hardworking, it's even affecting her sexual life. She does not have time for herself. I'm telling you, she does not have time for herself, and that's why you see her. She's always having mood swings because she don't release this thing. So I pray that God will bless you.
A few people think I'm down those that place.
Because you're the investor.
Through you, I've met a lot of amazing people, and the way you talk about me to them, it shows that it means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for being amazing. Thank you so much for being a sweetheart. Thank you for always giving me up.
Etinosa, the Mudia, my baby elephant.
Baby elephant.
Etinosa is a real one. That's what I'll just say.
Yes,
that's it. It's a real one, because in this our age and time, to find real people, he had. He opened doors. We shall go from greater heights to greater heights. From good health to good health.
Okay, so I had to cut out a lot of interesting parts of this video so that the video won't be too long, but there will be a part 2 where I put all those things I cut out. And yes, the secret, Lagos Continental secret is top-notch, premium, luxury, affordable hospitality. Guess what? You do not need to be a celebrity to be treated like a king, like a queen, like a princess or prince at Lagos Continental. Bye!